Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue, and today I'm going to share a 3-ingredient gluten-free shortbread cookie made with ground almonds, icing sugar and butter. Not too sweet. It's an easy low sugar recipe that you can whip up and have cookies ready for Christmas Day or just whenever you like to eat them. In my mixing bowl, I've ground my own almonds today because I couldn't buy any at the shop. And there's 1 cup or 112 grams. And into that I'm putting 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar, it's known in Australia. And I'm just going to beat this together with a fork. And I've got 3 tablespoons of butter. I've just got salted butter in the house. And this is inspired by another blogger. And I'll put the link back over at my website at siemariep.com. And the recipe is always in a link below in the description. There's half a teaspoon of, whoops, I don't want to do that one. That's my bitter almond essence, but that was actually a bit overwhelming. I want vanilla. It's in the same bottle. So we're not going to put the bitter, we're going to put vanilla in. So I just dirtied my half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put in, this is my 1/4 teaspoon. So I want a half, so I'm going to just do 2 of those. Now if you didn't want to put vanilla in, you can put orange zest, lemon zest. You can add a little bit of spice like cinnamon. I did try a version of this the other day with my gluten-free flour blend, and they were okay, they weren't amazing. So I won't share that one. If you've clicked on for the first time, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and then you get a new video. I'm just going to go in with my fingers. I think it'll be quicker just to bring it together. Now we don't really need to chill this at all. I've turned my oven on and that's been preheating at 180 degrees C. I've got my dough here and I'm just going to make it into 16 small little balls. So what I'll do, I'll divide it in half. I'm just using my eye. And then half again. Then we need 4 pieces from this one. I'm going to roll it into a ball and place them on my baking tray. Now if you wanted to do it on a silicone mat, you can, and just leave about 2 finger spaces apart. Now I'm just going to press them slightly and then just go over them with a little fork. I'm going to bake these now in my preheated oven. It's been heating up at about 180 degrees C with a fan, and I'll pop the other measurements or temperatures above. I'm going to do them for about 7 to 9 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on them. I just want them to be lightly golden brown, not too brown. So my cookies have been out of the oven for about 10 minutes, and I'm just going to try one. I've got like a little one here. They're kind of golden on the base and a little bit golden on top. These taste so good. These are even better than the test bake I did a few weeks back. Yeah, without the bitter almond essence, they're so much better. And last time I also added orange zest, but I really love the simple, just vanilla version. You could call these low sugar almond shortbread cookie. Perfect for any guests you've got that are vegan, wheat intolerant, and if you didn't want to have the dairy in it, you could swap it out for coconut oil or use butter-free, like vegan butter. Let me know if you give this a go. They're really quick and easy to whip up, and they look really pretty. And you could also give these in a little box or a clear bag as an edible gift. Thanks for watching. I'll pop a few links up above, and I've just filmed also a gluten-free festive compilation kind of video. I thought that'd be really helpful if you're looking for ideas for baking recipes over the Christmas period or the festive period. Thanks for watching. God Jul or Merry Christmas from Sweden. See you next year. Yum, yum, yum.